Framer just released their biggest update ever, and this is going to change the way designers design in Framer. They have released something called AI agents, an AI companion for designers. These AI agents work directly in your canvas while you're designing to help you design faster, add animations, and works across the entire Framer toolset. So whether it's CMS, setting up, or improving the SEO, you can then use Framer agents to fix those SEO issues, for example. You still have full control on everything that the agent does. Let's check out all these insane updates and why Framer is even more useful than before. Right, so the first one that is making headlines right now is the new agent tab. This agent is right inside your properties window, and you can start a brand new chat at any point of time. You can even select your preferred AI model. I really like Opus from Anthropic, which is my favorite right now. I can ask it to create a complete website for me, or even complex components to fit inside my website. Let me ask it to create a hero section with floating images behind the title that move based on my mouse. If I click on send, it will quickly start thinking. It does multiple tasks for you to fit your needs. So it's searching for fonts for my hero section, images to fit behind the text. And look at how everything is happening in real time like magic. It's placing the images. It's adding the effect that we like for like this hover interaction. A really cool title, and look how unique this title is. It doesn't look like one of those templates that you just pick and edit. And look what it has produced within a few seconds. A nice parallax movement with my mouse, as you can see live. I'll show you guys some more examples of what you can build with AI agents. You can experiment with 3D, with parallax, with forms, with functionality, all inside your website. You can even add intricate interactions and intricate details that are missing. By clicking on this little select button on the bottom right, you select whatever element you want and it shows up here as CTA. Can you make this have a glowing border on hover? And as you can see, whenever I hover, there is a nice little bluish purple glow that there is behind this button. Framer agents can also help you make variations of your designs. For a home screen layout, for example, you want 5 other layout ideas. It can create 5 other screens right next to your main design, and then you can switch between these versions whenever you like. Now the agent works with all different features that Framer has. For example, the CMS. Right now, this collection has no data or information, but as you can see, the agent is present here as well. I can ask it, can you create a blog CMS that has 5 articles related to latest tech? Let's just assume that is what we need, and I'll click on send. And look at this. Within a few seconds, it was able to generate 5 new cool articles, made them live, as you can see, with dedicated URLs, excerpts, which are basically summaries, images. So it is also generated images for my articles for now, and also included an entire article on this page with content and context, which is really cool. I can even create and edit components with our agent. So I can say, create a navigation component, and there you go. In its own dedicated sort of page, it's built our navigation. It's actually doing it live. It is adding a nice little pop-up, and I'm not even touching my keyboard or mouse right now. And I absolutely love this little animation around what it's tweaking. They're also introducing a new community. Yes, completely redesigned, restructured community where designers like you and I can create our own profiles. There is an actual social feed now, so you can follow a bunch of designers on Framer and even discover new designers through their feed. It's similar to what you might find on other social media sites. It also has a dedicated page for finding Framer designers. So whether you want to hire like a freelancer, or whether you're looking to connect with like-minded designers on their platform, this is now available. They've also launched branching, which is very useful, especially because of these new AI features. Rather than working on one version that your entire team works on, you can actually branch your project. So one project can have 5 different directions, branching it out into different changes, different iterations, different versions, allowing you to work in maybe separate teams or allowing you to add different changes for experimentation, for example. And rather than choosing one variation, you can merge different variations together, versions, so as to say, together, and make something holistic at the end of the day. Now, once you launch your website, it can get tricky to keep a track of analytics, website performance, doing an audit, an SEO audit, for example. Framer AI will make that much easier for you. You can ask for proper metrics and even a detailed view of exactly the areas that your website is succeeding in or failing in. And you can then use Framer agents to fix those SEO issues, for example. The use cases of this could be endless. If you want to try out Framer agents for free, they give a bunch of free credits, and you can start accessing all their features from the get-go. I'll have a link in the description. Go ahead, try this out. I think it's pretty cool. It's a very new approach to web design, and a lot of the tools are very useful. I'll also have a link to all the other smaller updates which I didn't get to mention in the video. There's a huge list of a lot of different use cases that you can learn from, and tutorials and live sections that you can check out. Once again, thank you, Framer, for sponsoring this channel, making some of these videos possible. These sponsors make free content easy to create. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, take care. God bless.